welcome to another episode of Wealth App Holiday Adda, where we bring to you the stories of those who dared to dream. Today on our show, we have a very special guest with us, Ms. Porna Banerjee. Ms. Banerjee, thank you so much for being here today. We're so happy to have you here.
It was a pleasure for
So,
coming.
Ms. Banerjee, I want to start off with asking you to tell me a little bit about this special piece that I'm wearing today, which has been gifted to me by
Veda.
you. By Veda and you and Veda. And can we please talk about a little bit about Veda?
So this piece is a Dokra piece, which is like a 4,000 years heritage, and I'm trying to make this piece as a wearable art for the contemporary design for the woman. Nowadays, women wear. It is like it's a wearable art, which I'm using the heritage into a contemporary design. So Veda is not a jewelry brand for me. It's like a story. It's like a emotion which I've grown with since childhood. I've been wearing various handcrafted, hand designed products, which I feel India is so enriched with. So I want to make this or I want to promote this art form to the global world, like a city itself. So it's like a cultural city, which has a global presence. So we want to carry forward this amazing art form to the global people, where women will, not only women, anyone can wear it, so that they have a global presence.
And I think that that's so important, the work that you're doing, bringing out handicrafts, which in today's day and age is getting lost, I feel.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit more about the kind of crafts that you have explored or what you're working with?
Okay, so Veda means pure. So it has an intention of creating things which is very pure, very natural, very raw, like myself. You know, I am not at all. I mean, I don't love things which are very, made up. So for this only, I have selected this kind of things, which has a statement value as well as it's minimalistic. So I am making some jewelries which is made up of semi-precious stones, freshwater pearls, wood, and ceramics, which are all handmade. No design is, every design is different, and every people can wear it. It's not about, it doesn't have a size problem, it doesn't have a age problem. So anybody, any size, any global people can wear it. So I am using this jewelry thing to,
Bring our culture out into the world.
Yeah, that's
I think
true.
that is such a beautiful statement. And
because I've been to corporate before, so I have done jobs, I have traveled a lot. So I want to explore things which are created here to the global people.
amazing, amazing. So we explored handicrafts and how you're bringing that out into the world, and that is such an important thing we need right now. Beyond that, I would like to ask you something. You have worked in corporate before, to being an entrepreneur now. What would you say your relationship with money has been like over this entire journey?
Okay, I love money. And before that, I was a spender. But after I met Shomujidda and Wealth App, I have learned that you need to save before you do spend it. So yeah, for the conscious effort which I'm taking right now, I remember that when I started Veda and when I got my first, the money, I told my husband that I am saving it. Like what may come, I am starting off again. So whatever I will earn, I will at least save for Wealth Up. So that conscious thing I have created myself. We do saving, but when the money grows like it does right now, So I'm happy that, you know, since I love money, so it is growing.
You see your little plant growing into a big tree.
Yeah, that's right.
That's
So the vision is more important here. So maybe it is small right now. So in future,
I think what you're trying to do is so inspiring and so beautiful and so important. Uh, Thank you so much for doing that for all of us and for making our Indian handicrafts something that we can carry with us anywhere we go. And thank you so much for this time.
oh,
Today.
thank you so much.
Thank you so
You know, I always believe that whatever you carry in your heart, it should be seen in the world.
That is such a beautiful note to end on. Thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank
for
you
being
so
with us
much.
today.